Log out from Webtoon application or your Webtoon account. So in today's video, guys, I will tell you how to do this because there is a lot of people doesn't know how to log out from their account. Actually, it's very easy, but some people ask me to do this. So let's start. First, you have to open your Webtoon application. Then it will open. For example, I'm just creating my account. For example, next I would choose this one. Next I click skip here, and for example, this is my account, this is my home page. Right now I will just come to this 3 point right here, click on settings, and if I wanna log out from my account, I will click on my email and I will find here log out. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.